welcome back to another unboxing video. We're gonna be opening a couple packages, a couple boxes, a couple stuff from a few months ago, pre-recorded, of course. I'm overdubbing this, if you will. All Action Wrestling episode 5 is coming out. I think it already came out. Actually, I don't know what came out. God damn it, where's my phone? God damn it! And I literally just made notes. Like today. No wait, yeah. Okay, so All Action Wrestling episode 5 will be coming out soon. Episode 4 is already up. Unboxing of Ronda Rousey is up. SmackDown episode 1 is up. SmackDown episode 2 is coming up. Okay, so it looks like it's gonna be All Action Wrestling episode 5, Monday Night Raw, or Thursday Night Raw. Monday Night Raw. Thursday Raw. That's gonna be after this video. After this is uploaded, or after Raw's up, we should have an unboxing, and then after that it's gonna be SmackDown episode 2, and after that is gonna be unboxing. After that is gonna be another episode of Raw, and then after that SmackDown again. So we're gonna try to go back and forth from Raw and SmackDown and unboxings every Thursday here on All Action Wrestling Figure Federation. But today we are unboxing DX, Elite, Triple H, Shawn Michaels, and a battle pack of the NWO Outsiders, Kevin Nash and Scott Hall. You see on the screen, there was a Triple H and Shawn Michaels Elite from '98, the Generation X, and we are gonna start off with the basic battle pack because they are some basics. So let's just hope that those legs move, because we've been having problems with the leg functioning molds with regular pants, like dress pants, dress jeans, or dress jeans, jeans, so on and so forth. On basics, Mick Foley had the problem, Stephanie McMahon had the problem, the two guys, what's their name, the Singe brothers had a problem moving their legs, moving their knees, moving their joints. So if you notice, it comes with some sunglasses, the spread paint sunglasses all the way on the bottom too. Should got a discount for that. In the back you see Big E and Kofi with the stop sign, and then Money in the Bank briefcase, Dean Ambrose, John Moxley, and Seth Rollins. I don't know, I forget which battle pack this is actually. Battle pack what? Hold on, pause, move your hand. I want to say like 2. Battle pack number 2. So All Action Wrestling stuff. Now we're just unboxing them. So if you notice, on Scott Hall, Kevin Nash, or Scott Hall, Razor Ramon, his biceps are huge, massive biceps, bro. Bro, I'm telling you, bro. Also, I hope, I'm telling you, man, those legs don't move. Break them knee joints. So basically same stuff with every basic. If it's a dress pants or jeans, they're they're very difficult to move, articulate, not that well. I get their basics and all, but you know, but that's not cool. And right there you see Kevin Nash and Scott Hall. I actually like this head sculpt on Kevin Nash more than the ponytail one on the Elite, on the one that came out a few weeks ago on the channel from the unboxing or whatever. So now we are in the main event. We have Triple H and Shawn Michaels. Also, we are gonna have new intros for SmackDown and Raw. Very excited, especially for the SmackDown one. I love the song for the SmackDown one. Raw, I couldn't find a good song for Raw. To me, SmackDown's a flagship show, the A show, the ace in the whole. You know what I'm saying? But that's just my opinion. You know, SmackDown has a very special place in my heart growing up on SmackDown and stuff. But I think this Shawn Michaels is one of the few elites and even basics that have the pants, the baggy pants that he wore back in from like 05 to like the rest of his career, like 2010 or whatever it was. Which to me is kind of weird. It looks really cool to me. Very nostalgic to me. Or maybe I don't know. Maybe I actually got used to the other Shawn Michaels and I'm like sick of it. I'm sick of these. Sick of these videos, man. Bruh, yeah, pull out the cardboard. Yo, what beat is this? Look how cool Shawn looks. Tattoo on his arm, very cool. Something I did not check if he had his tattoo on his finger, the wedding ring tattoo, I think it is. Oh wait, I know what beat it is. Obviously the Elite with the Elite articulation, very great for that super kick. You know what this reminds me of? Very weird. It reminds me of WrestleMania. It reminds me of WrestleMania 23 when he went one-on-one with John Cena, and he comes out with no DX attire really, but they use the DX song for some reason for his entrance, which is kind of weird to me. I also don't remember Shawn wearing that many hats like that, like the baseball cap. Maybe that's just me, but I don't remember that really in my head. And I don't remember Triple H really wearing that type of cut-off shirt either. Maybe on the back it says what show or not. Don't show the back thing. It's okay. I hate those little elastic stuff. That's just me, man. I don't know why I spaced out watching the video. I forget that I'm supposed to be recording something and I'm just watching the video. I think it's the music, man. It's spacing me out. A classic water bottle from Triple H.
Oh no, look in the mirror, it's a fire. shouldn't have smoked so much weed. I shouldn't have done so much blow. Don't you know sometimes? Oh, don't you know sometimes?
Classic sledgehammer comes with every elite Triple H has. Probably would come with every battle pack he's in too if they had a chance. But I don't know, maybe it's just me. Come on, pull him out. I don't like the head scan, to be honest. That head scan kind of gives me the Ibly jibbies. Has DX on the front, which is really cool. Missing the DX on the boots, probably. Maybe. I don't remember. I'm spacing out. Maybe I'm just crazy and I remember the DX on the boots too.
That's a high road.
Also, if you guys know how to edit the mist, like when he spits up, let me know. Because I can't figure it out. Maybe I'm just dumb or something, but I can't get that. Maybe I'm just dumb or something. What was I saying? This is Triple H when he tore his ACL. No, he tore his quadricep back in 07. Which I appreciate the wraps on his knees. They use the right knee pad. And there you have it. NWO, DX, Outsiders, D-Generation X, the Clique. This is actually the Clique. I just realized this. It's the Clique. That's the title of the video now. It's Kevin Nash, Scott Hall, Battle Pack, Triple H, Shawn Michaels, Elite, and hopefully we get China very soon in All Action Wrestling. And with that being said, we'll see you in the next one. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I might let this song finish, so enjoy it.
I say